a pen and toothpaste, a phone and a Ziploc bag, a cupcake and a microwave. How can you combine all these incompatible things? Watch a fun "What can you do with this?" challenge in our new video. The friends all got together for a new challenge. Girls, have some juice.
Hey!
Freddie, where's my straw? I got a bad package. Then draw some cards with a task, straws, and spaghetti. Here's the answer to my question. Fine, I'll go get some pasta. Well, it's the blue-eyed girl's turn now. A cupcake and a microwave. What do I do with it? Freddie, now you draw. Hair and candy? That's an interesting challenge. What happens to a cupcake when you microwave it? Let's see. I came to get some spaghetti. Say hello to your cupcake. Let's check. The cupcake looks weird after being microwaved. I'm not eating that. Freddie, hang on. Would you like a cupcake? Oh yeah, sure. Holly finally found her straw. It's all natural. Spaghetti works perfect as a juice straw. Here comes Freddie. What a yummy cupcake! Hey, Freddie, what about your candy challenge? Oh, right, sure. Here's some candy. No, eating a Chupa Chups isn't enough. You had another card with hair. Do something. The only thing Freddie came up with was picking up hair from Holly's clothes, using a wet lollipop. Ew, this is gross. A bigger candy would be better here. Freddie, oh no! No, no, no! Take your candy away! There's an exquisite dish on today's menu. Our new channel, Troom Wow, for all foodies. Subscribe to learn fun ideas and try exciting challenges. Follow the link in the description down below. I need to brush my teeth. Oh no, a new card. I need to combine a pen and toothpaste? How do I do it? I can use a life hack and squeeze out the last of the toothpaste using a pen. Whoops! I think this life hack went wrong. I failed. Pirates love playing PlayStation games, but one pirate has a little advantage. A second hand. Well, it's no surprise that the one-handed pirate loses all the time. He just can't press multiple buttons at once. What is this? We have Trumo cards instead of treasure maps. This is my dream arm. And a plastic bottle. The one-handed pirate knows what to do with this. That's a great idea. Yay! A new arm made out of a plastic bottle and a spoon. This is the perfect invention to help me with my games. Now I can win every round. My spoon will help me press a few buttons at a time. Ay caramba! You won't beat me, two-handed pirate! Life seems so boring lately. We haven't had fun for a while. Even oatmeal looks more exciting than we do. What's that? Fresh Trumo juice? Well, let's play kitchen ping pong. A paper towel roll instead of a net, and boards instead of rackets. Let's start the match. First round. Freddie, serve the ball. The blue-eyed girl hits it like a pro. Our friendly game is getting lit. We are playing for a free dinner. It's getting really intense in here. Oh, wow! Freddie hit the final pass. Don't be mad, blue-eyed girl. We are still playing Trumo, and the friends are fighting over the cards they got. A brush and hair? This is way too obvious. No, you have to make up something new. Let's ask this guy to help us out. Hi, Tommy. What else can you do with a brush and hair besides brushing your hair? That's too obvious. I don't need to think of anything else. Tommy came up with a solution while his friends were arguing. You can rub the brush on your hair to get static electricity. And then you can quietly pull a bill from the blue-eyed girl's pocket using the electrified brush. Ha! My competitors are so naive. At this rate, Tommy can make enough money for a car. Lunchtime! So much food and not enough hands. How do I carry all of it without a bag? me a flyer. That's the last thing I need. What's inside? A card with a pyramid? Here it is. The solution is in my hands. I'll try making a pyramid out of my lunch. A cup with a straw goes first. I'll put my Big Mac and French fries on it. By the way, that's a great way to organize my lunch. I can eat on the go. The friends are getting ready for a party, but Trumo is always watching. Holly, what do you have there? My jeans are falling off and I can't find a belt. Don't worry, Trumo is about to solve this problem. Here's a hint. A wire? What do I do with it? I don't know. Then you should draw a card too to make it fair. There's a phone case on the card. What do I do with it? Connect 2 phone cases with cable ties. Trace the case on a plastic envelope. Cut it out. Hot glue the plastic piece to the side of the case. Glue on a button outside. Put money into the pocket. The blue-eyed girl made a stylish wallet. Holly, check it out. It's made out of phone cases. Awesome! What should I do with these wires? You haven't figured it out yet? Use them instead of a belt. Tie them around your jeans and you're done. Hey, do you want to do your hair? Don't rush. Here's your new card. And what's on it? A mixer! You'll have to style your hair with a mixer. All right, come on, whip my hair. But the girls failed. Her hair got all tangled up. Never try this at home. Freddie, good morning. Do you want to play some music on your phone? Then get ready for a new challenge. Another card! And there's a Ziploc bag on it. You need to think of something. Freddie decided to turn a Ziploc bag and a hanger into a suspended phone case. By the way, this is a great bathroom hack. The phone won't get wet or fall into water. You can just watch videos and relax. A new round of Trumo. Tommy, draw new cards. Noodles and a lollipop? What can I do with that? But an idea pops into Tommy's head. Cover instant noodles in a plastic bowl with water. And put a fork in it. And now he puts his masterpiece in a freezer. Let it cool. The first noodle lollipop ever is ready in just a few hours. Wanna try? The important thing is I completed the task. Come on, blue-eyed girl, check out my imagination. It's very creative, Tommy. The blue-eyed girl wants to curl her hair, but there's a surprise for her. A new Trumo task. A glue stick instead of hair curlers? Okay, challenge accepted. Clean the glue out of a glue stick. Attach the hook side of Velcro to the container. Put on a bobby pin. Make a few hair curlers. The blue-eyed girl found a way out of this complicated situation. Curl your hair with glue sticks. She has never done this before. But anything can happen when you are playing Trumo. A glue stick makes a great hair curler. The curls turned out amazing despite everything, and her hair didn't get glued. Did you like our Trumo challenge? Then comment below if you have ever managed to combine incompatible things. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new exciting challenges from Troom.